Alright, we're gonna do video on our project here. We bought an F450 cabin chassis, slightly longer than a traditional box frame, but we're gonna put a box on it. So how are we gonna do that? We got these nifty brackets right here. A little bit off, but it'll work out through with the built-in bracket for your bumper to work out for factory box. And these ones here, here's the front one. I do have to drill a hole here. For some reason this did not work out like they said it would, but still not bad. So use those ones, plus then there's still your two center brackets for over the axle area where the box would have stepped up with its standard F-series. So if anybody is doing this kit, you can do this on these older series, and even on the new ones. It comes from this company right here, Manning Equipment, down by Louisville, Kentucky. To build these brackets, so I think it's gonna be a pretty sweet deal. So we're gonna kind of start on this, and I'll stop what I'm doing and start the video up again and show the progress, and we'll see how this turns out. All right, stopped for lunch, did some other stuff, but anyways, got grab a light here. Got the front brackets we have to drill. Holes didn't work out at all, but you can see here if I shine the light not too brightly. Put that bracket in, that bracket back there. That'd be the third one right behind the duals. And back one for the bumper / back ones. Got two pins and kind of hold it. And then we're gonna put a B&W kit in there with it. It's got a little bit altered. It goes pretty good. You get it all bolted in like an hour and a half. So it's not bad. Seems to fit all about the same. Got to fill in these gaps right here, but they give you these fancy little plastic deals. Scuffed a little bit. I think a little buff out, but the black strip comes out of there, and put that in there like that. Let the black strip out, obviously it'll fit better. And there's a cover cap that goes on the top. It's right over there, it's aluminum. And I'm gonna do the wiring. So it's Christmas Eve. Wish everybody a Merry Christmas. If you're from Minnesota, you'll understand. Prayers are out to Kim Potter's family. She made a mistake, but justice isn't on her side this week. So say a prayer for her. Have a great Christmas, and we'll do a part 2 video once we're down to the 5th wheel plate and wiring